everybody, I wanted to make this tutorial video in case you are moving ahead and you are done with your note-taking sheets. So first, just remind yourself about hooks with using the Hook Hub. We talked about hooks last class, but the video is also linked here in the Hook Hub, so give it a look if you need to. Now let's talk about an outline. So in the outline, here we go. It's opening up. In your introduction, you're going to have your attention grabber, which is a hook that we learned about. Your credibility statement is talking about why should we listen to you? What do you know about this topic already that will gain our engagement, right? Credibility isn't only what you know, but why should we listen to you about it? And then preview is going to be what are the things that you're going to cover in the informational speech. Make sure that when you talk about your credibility statement and preview that we know the topic that you're going to be covering in your speech. As we scroll down, there's going to be 3 main points. You write your 3 main points based on what you found in your note-taking sheet. So what are 3 things about the topic that you're going to be informing us about within the speech? For each topic, you should have at least 3 subpoints that you're going to make. So for instance, if you were talking about the side effects of having COVID-19, you would put here side effects of COVID-19. And underneath, you would write the side effects. So side effect 1, what is that? Side effect 2, what is that? Side effect 3, what is that? Okay, these are just for demonstration purposes, but you would link it to whatever your topic is that you're giving us an informational speech on. So you're going to do this for all 3 main points and make sure that you have transitions. When we talk about transitions, if I was talking about side effects in the top, and then my second point was about the economic climate, I would say not only does COVID have side effects for your body, but it also has side effects on our nation's economy. Something that transitions from the top point that you're making to the bottom point. They need to come together with some kind of transition. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And then obviously in your conclusion, you're going to summarize your main points. A major takeaway, if we didn't leave without one thing, or what's the main thing that we need to take away from your speech? And then a clincher is a sentence to leave on their minds. So what should we do about the topic? Or what's the thing that we should really take to heart? Okay, these can be similar, but a clincher is going to be more cliche, just as a hook was to engage the reader. A clincher is a fancily worded sentence that will leave your reader feeling satisfied that they listened to your speech. So go ahead and get started on your outline. All right, and then after that, your note-taking sheet should have been done. And then after that, make sure that you set a goal for next class, which is right here in number 7.